The dumbest mistake you could make on Skool. Currently, having this community grow. We're up 8K for the month, and I've worked with a community that's made 250K a month. Been on Skool for 2 years, and this is honestly the simplest but dumbest thing you could do. This only applies for the pro plan, but honestly, you could upgrade to the pro plan, especially if you're running ads, just for this thing, which is instant approval. Have it on. There's no reason to not have it on, and it is so stupidly important. Instant approval is essentially someone requests to join your community. This only works on free or freemium model, so only on this one or this one. And the reason you should have it on is because if someone joins the community, especially if they are not Skool native, so they're not someone that lives on the platform that comes back to the platform, if they're coming from YouTube or especially ads, the worst thing you can do is have instant approval. So let me walk you through the member journey, right? Someone just saw your ad, and this could be YouTube, this could be any traffic source, right? And they're like, "Ooh, that looks pretty interesting." They go to your about page and they watch the VSL, they read the copy, like, "Oh, that sounds like me, yeah." They press join group, and it says waiting for approval. They're like, "Okay," and then they swipe off, and they never see you again, and the name will come back. You log in, 5 hours later, you press accept, they join the community and have no goddamn idea. You do a goddamn email or email post 3 days later, and they're like, "What is this?" And then they just fucking delete that shit. Instead, what could happen is they see on ads, they see the about page, they're like, "Wow, this is really interesting." They press join group, and they get in instantly. That is a huge world of difference. 5 hours, you log back in, you engage with them. You've sent them an auto DM, they responded, you're in conversation. 3 days afterwards, you've sent an email post, maybe they got off track after one day, but they already know the content in here is good. They come back. Like, just have this on. And you're not gonna let spammers in or some sort of scam because Skool has the automod feature. So even this is no longer even necessarily true. It's kind of misleading, actually. So, please to God, just have this on. Bye.